Hi, welcome to Million Tutorial session. We learn about how to generate APS in Million Payroll. Go to Setting menu and click on APS Format Setting. Click on the Import Data and select the bank format that you need. Step 2. Go to Setting, click on Bank. Enter your bank details correctly and select APS format that you needed. Step 3. Go to Employee Maintenance, Accounts and Setting. Select Employer Bank and enter Employee Bank Account details. Step 4. Go to Statutory Setting and click on Organization Setting. Enter the details correctly, and this is all the fields that you must enter correctly. Last step. After proceed your payroll, go to Transaction menu and click on APS Generator. Select the month and click on Generate. This is the sample. That's all. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy.